Hi, Econ 355. I'm going to take a quick minute here to show you how you can look at the results from a Google survey once it's been completed. Whenever I use any Google apps, I always used Chrome. When I go into Chrome, I need to figure out where my survey was originally. So in this case, my Google survey is here. When I clicked on it, let me go into here to show you a better image of where I would find it. So when I go into my Google Drive, I just have to remember what I called it, which is often the most difficult part. When I click on the survey, this is what comes up. If my students signed in using their own name and I forced them to log in, I could have this data come up by their name. However, for you, I believe I left it anonymous. So it just gives me a timestamp of the dates and times that people logged in. When I click on View, Tools, I don't want to create a form. Oh, here's where I want to click Forms. I want to show the summary of responses. This is kind of neat because in these responses, it gives me the data in a pie chart. So it tells me, how are you managing with taking this course? And I can see very quickly that 65% of you feel as though you're progressing with a few minor bumps along the way. If I scroll down to where it says, have you learned anything new yet? I can see really quickly that 55% of you are feeling that you are learning something new. This is a great check-in to do with your own students in your classroom that will give you really good feedback. Now, if we scroll down, you can see that I offered you different types of ways to answer. So in this particular question, you had check boxes where you could select multiple answers. And then moving down here, there's a sample of long answers, and I can read through them. It's important that students know that this is anonymous so that they are being honest. Anyway, if I wanted to share this with people, which is a great way, I've done surveys with parents and posted it on the school website. I've done surveys with students and shared the information that way. And we can just click copy and paste on the URL and post it into our blog or our website, wherever we want to share it. For this course, I actually printed this page to a PDF and then exported it as an image so that it didn't show up on my blog as a link, but more as an image because I thought that would be more attractive. Hopefully the screencast helps you to figure out other ways that you can use Google Forms in your classroom.